Today I will show you about the pixhack flight controller that I use for my quad drone. And this is the telemetry, and I use Herelink for
low battery, 21% remaining.
use it. And here some of the command of the general configuration on the Herelink, and here all the parameters and everything
Full flight mode. Low
that
battery,
will show
20%
you.
remaining. Low battery, 20%
Airframe,
remaining.
joystick calibration,
Position flight mode.
sensor, and all of these you should configure. Radio, fly mode,
Low battery, 19%
power,
remaining.
safety, and this is the uh, main for you to set up, and it is help you to have your drone when your battery is running low or losing signal something else, and it will return home or something that you should
Low battery,
set it.
18% remaining.
And this is the tuning that is for your drone. If your drone is completely unstable, you should configure it on it. And this is camera configuration.
Low battery, 17.